if a plus b plus c is equals to 2s, then prove that cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos c is equals to minus 1 plus 4 cos s minus a by 2 into cos s minus b by 2 into cos s minus c cos c by 2. So given that the sum of angles in a triangle a plus b plus c is equals to 2s, let us take the LHS, which is cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos c. So we will convert the first two terms in the form of, the first two terms are in the form of cos c plus cos d. So we will convert these two as cos c plus cos d is equals to 2 into cos c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. So we can write this as 2 into cos, in place of c we have s minus a, and in place of d we have s minus b. So we are writing here c plus d by 2 and here c minus d by 2. So s plus s is 2s minus a minus b. Here s minus s will be 0. So we have minus of minus b as plus b and minus a plus cos c. Now we will convert this cos c as 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1, because we know that cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So in place of theta we have c here. So cos c can be written as 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. And here we have 2s minus of a plus b. Since we have a plus b plus c is equals to 2s, so transpose this c on this side there. So it will be a plus b is equals to 2s minus c. So in place of this a plus b, we will write 2s minus c. So 2s minus 2s will be 0, and that will be 2 cos of minus c by 2 cos b minus a by 2 plus 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. Since cos of minus theta is cos theta, we can write it as 2 cos c by 2. Minus 1 we will write in the beginning. So minus 1 plus 2 cos of plus c by 2 and cos of minus b, cos of b minus a by 2 plus 2 cos square c by 2. In these two terms we have 2 cos c by 2 as common. So we can write this as minus 1 plus 2 cos c by 2 into cos of b minus a plus cos c by 2. So now again these two terms are in the form of cos c plus cos d. So that can be written as 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. So we will convert these two terms as cos c cos d formula. So which is 2 cos c plus d by 2 and into cos c minus d by 2. So 2 into cos of c is b minus a by 2 plus d is c by 2 by 2. And again here c minus d by 2. Now since we have same denominator, so we can write it as b minus a plus c by 2 and b minus a minus c by 2. We can take this 2 in the denominator. So denominator is 2 times 2. So b plus c minus a. Here again b minus a minus c. Take minus common. So we can write it as b minus of a plus c. Since we know that a plus b plus c is equals to 2s, so a plus b is equals to 2s minus c. So in place of a plus b, we are writing 2s minus a. So we have b plus c here. B, in place of b plus c, we can write 2s minus a. And here we have a plus c. So we can replace this with 2s minus b, because a plus b plus c is equals to 2s. So now 2s minus a minus a is minus 2a, and here b minus b is 0. Sorry, b minus of minus b is plus b. So b plus b is 2b and minus 2s. Now take 2 common from these two terms. So we can write as minus 1 into this 2 times 2 is 4 cos c by 2, and 2, if we take 2 common, s minus a by 4 into cos of minus 2 into s minus b by 4. Now 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So that will be s minus a by 4 and minus of s minus b by 4. Since cos of minus theta is cos theta, we can remove this minus and write it as cos of s minus b by 2. Therefore, cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos c is equals to minus 1 into 4 cos s minus a by 2 into cos s minus b by 2 into cos